In front of me is Realme 5i, and let me show you how to change the language on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select language and region right here. And at the top of the list, you will be able to change the region. So smoothly click on it, and now you can pick the one that you want to apply. For example, let me pick Sri Lanka. And then let's go back. And here you can smoothly change a language. So just click on it and now pick the one that you would like to use. Tap on done then to apply the new language to make it a default one. And then confirm that you would like to change system language to Czech. And that's it. As you can see from now on, it is updated. Whenever you would like to change it again, just open languages one more time and pick another one, the one that you would like to apply to this device. So this is it. This is how you can change language in your Realme 5i. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.